What's up guys, welcome back to Bake It Better. In today's episode of Date Night Dessert, we'll be making a British classic, the sticky toffee pudding. Lovely dense date cake soaked in a delicious toffee sauce. There is nothing truly more indulgent than this. So come along with me while we work through some brilliant British baking. First, into our large pot, we'll add half of our cream, the corn syrup, the butter, and the sugar. We'll give it a bit of a mix and place this on medium-low heat to come to a lovely amber color. Next, into a pot, we can add our dates and our water. We'll place this on medium heat and let it come to a boil. Continue cooking the dates until almost all of the water is absorbed and the dates are nice and soft. We can transfer this to our food processor and blitz it into a nice puree. Next, in our stand mixer bowl, we can add in our brown sugar and our softened butter. We'll beat those together until they're nice and creamed. We can then add in our egg. Followed by the vanilla. Once those are mixed in, we can then add in our date puree. In a small bowl, add in your flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Give it a quick whisk to combine. Add in half of your flour and mix to just incorporate. Add in the second half and mix fully. Remove from the machine and give a good scrape down. We can grab some non-stick spray and give a solid coating onto our muffin tin. Using our big scoop, we can fill the inserts 3/4 of the way full. We'll give it a quick flatten to smooth out the tops. Then bake these for about 20 minutes in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the toffee sauce has turned a lovely amber color, we can slowly stream in the second half of the cream, being careful of the steam. Transfer the sauce to a container and use your immersion blender to fully emulsify the sauce. Once the puddings are done baking, run a paring knife around the edges of the cake just to ensure that they haven't stuck to the pan. Pour the toffee sauce all over the cake, fully soaking it. Allow the sauce to soak in and top up the cakes. If making ahead of time, allow to cool completely and wrap each cake individually. and then place in the fridge. But for tonight, we'll place one of these puddings into a bowl and microwave it to get it nice and hot. Pour over more of the toffee sauce and enjoy. This is perfected by the addition of vanilla ice cream, but I forgot to buy some. This is too good, you'll have to excuse me. And here it is, guys, the sticky toffee pudding. The rich toffee sauce is soaked into every nook and cranny. This is one dessert you really can't skip trying. As always, you can find a copy of my recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you back here in my kitchen for the next episode. I'll see you then.